This video covers the keys to making your new order successful. We strive to deliver the right service to the right place at the right time. Your assistance in the process helps ensure everything runs as smoothly as possible. By following these important steps, you will help make your experience throughout the service delivery process successful. Step 1. Review your order with us to make sure every detail is correct. Is your business name, address, floor, room, or suite accurate? Are the bandwidth details correct? Have you confirmed that there is an extension from the building's entry point to your floor, room, or suite? Are all other technical details correct? Step 2. Designate an on-site person to serve as your local customer contact. They must be available to provide access to your location, as well as be able to provide the necessary space and power required. If your order requires work at more than one location, you'll need an on-site local customer contact at each one. If changes to your order are required at a later time, they can complicate the delivery process, causing delays and leading to additional costs. These keys to success will help you every step of the way. Thank you for partnering with Lumen.